Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's actually Shayna, and if you are here for the first time, a very big warm welcome to you. If you are a returning viewer, heart of love. Don't know your things yet already. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who have been sharing all my videos, everybody we are comment and press the like button and all of them little good stuff there. Just want to know if you know, say yeah, the channel monetized now, guys, and I couldn't have done that without all of you people. So today I am at St. Elizabeth at Grandma grave digging. So this vlog is a grave digging and a funeral vlog in one. You're going to see the funeral clips at the end. So right here, so we're there now with the St. Elizabeth, New Holland. Yeah, so they're on a Graveside here, so which part of grave I dig and I go on. All the vibes, me and Lato and Nick and a couple more. But a whole lot of family up here still, guys. So we're here, I go on, enjoy ourselves. A lot of kids there. All of them people here, so my family, them. I don't know why Richie sit down so close, like same out, fill up broke your foot. Get up, man. I said good. Yeah, so you have to sit down. So see me little pretty cousin them here, all that little cute one here, and don't even know say camera the pan him, but me a video, me understand. Yeah man, it's a good look, people, and whether you believe it or not, me just feel say St. Elizabeth is one of the nicest place them, because when you talk about farming, this is St. Elizabeth. You get what me I say? Every little thing farm up here, so me love up here from a longer time. So me there saw me I go and drink one Malta because the vibes nice and thing, and as simple as no see time look right here. So night they come down already, you know. Yeah, time I get dark, so my mother they say in her apron, my father bunks. Nick go out there so for one mic and come back because a DJ. They ready for DJ down the place now, you know, people. Me I tell you now. Yeah, then don't left the talker phone anywhere them go. So this is my cousin Chris, all the way from out of Kingston, but I'm hometown him there. Right here, so what you see with there? A female this. Boy migrate and come back a dead yeah, but I say go my friend, I say go. Right there, so. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you what take place at the funeral, what the funeral was like. You're good? You smell sweet as usual. Alright. Backside, look how my sister had. Look here. If me never have faith, you make me cuss word over church. No, Serene, your frock look good. Y'all bling. Y'all bling. Y'all happen. You make me feel like we got married.
So we can be one nice one like it.
No man, if you just go nice, like you have to be bridesmaid. Papi, what? You alright?
I can't see a bit of sweetness. And I feel.
Look, said, let me show them, say I see him, hear me having, can you go like I say? Go like I say. See, let me show you. Church done, so we are going on the graveside and now go see what take place around there.
I guess we'll turn to some choruses. My home is in heaven. My home is in heaven.
Alright guys, so meanwhile the family them round here, so they sing. Me I go take my little time and go back round on the front, you understand? It's a mixed feelings guys. We are all sad and happy at the same time because we sad say grandma gone, but yet still we glad say we see some family where we never see before. We see some family where we never see for a long time.
Richie, you need figure in your shoes. Because I'm not beside your friend, I'm supposed to his side like this. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. Because go and go tell mama. Go on. But me now go watch on my picture take too. Oh, Dave. Yeah, yeah, man, on me a video, me get your shoes, look.
Not a video. Look. Yeah.
Yeah, man, book bad dog.
I kill that.
Man, shoes are killer dog.
Well bad.
Tired man.
Oh, Jenna, get up for me food this so. Roger.
Y'all should know by now. Any part of the video where you see me voice over, guys, a heavy music I play. So heavy music we can contain on YouTube. I guess because I want my page, so I have to take precaution. So with the song we are all a vibe same way, and grandma gone down in a hole already. So you don't know all I balling on them because something they kinda ease down. So woof ya pack up. See my brother right there, so with the red stripe creating him and the bag of Pepsi. Yes, that's my only brother, guys. Him have a YouTube channel, EK Delicious Bites. I think we mentioned it in our video already, guys. I want to know, go over there, show some support. Him do a lot of cooking and stuff like that, guys. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So after we there saw all the vibes, a big picture we are taking now, guys. Look. This is Nadia and I am so excited. Me hear Nadia they ball out me name, you know, up at the funeral, and me I say, but wait, me no know that lady there. She said, come Shana, come, me know you. Last night me I watch a movie them pan Talk Up TV one. Where Britney, where Fallon, where Chapla there. You know, she start asking me for everybody, and she decides say she need a picture. A cameraman they burn down in her background and people no see smoke. Yes, so we give her a picture, we give her a video. So Nadia, big up yourself, out of love, and hope to see you sometime again. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.